Most people think of figs as just a sweet snack, but this fruit hides powerful health secrets. Figs are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron, making them a true superfood. One of the fig's biggest benefits: digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, figs help regulate bowel movements and reduce bloating and constipation, a natural remedy for gut health. Figs are also heart-friendly. The potassium and polyphenol in figs help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. A few figs a week may go a long way toward protecting your heart, for those dealing with iron deficiency. Dried figs are a natural iron booster. They support healthy red blood cell production and improve energy levels, especially important for women. And it's not just about what's inside, figs are great for your skin too. The antioxidants and vitamins in figs nourish the skin, reduce inflammation, and can even slow down signs of aging. Some even use fig paste as a natural face mask.